Hi, I'm Ellie, and this is my story. For many years, I didn't go to school. Being autistic and suffering from anxiety meant that my mental health really took a turn for the worse. In year 10, I finally got a place in a new school so that I could get the support I needed and sit my GCSEs. I didn't really trust teachers, but this time it felt different. I trusted them. They made me feel safe, which helped me to learn. I ended up getting pretty good qualifications, but the thought of leaving school made me so nervous. Luckily, Mum spoke to my teachers, and the school supported me to stay on a bit longer and figure out what to do next. That's when I started working more closely with the school's futures team, who taught me about different job types and helped me to build my confidence and work skills. They held Futures Ambassador sessions, where different companies and entrepreneurs would come into school to talk about their industry. Then one day, a mechanic came in from a local branch and spoke to us about the different jobs at their company. They even invited us to go and have a look around their garage too. And that's when my interest in cars and engineering really came to light. Futures worked with the company and arranged for me to do work experience. Being autistic means I get overwhelmed in new situations, but with the coaching and support I received, I really felt like I could do this. Shortly into my work placement, the garage offered me a level 3 apprenticeship. I was over the moon. And now, here I am, living my dream, and every day I'm learning something new. Mum's over the moon too. She says my school changed everything for me and my family. And you know what? I agree. I couldn't have done this without their support.